Hello everyone, how are you doing? I hope you are doing well. So welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, please subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell so you don't miss any of my new videos. And this is another quick episode of my series Chrome extensions Unleashed. And in this episode we're gonna talk about an extension that pronounce the words for you. If you are an English learner, you may need this, so let's just go and look for it. So this extension is called Pronounce, Speech and Pronunciation Assistant, and I'm gonna put the link of this extension in the description. So add to Chrome here, and yes, I'm gonna confirm. I'm gonna add to Chrome and wait a little bit for it, and I'm gonna be added to Chrome. So now this extension is added. Let's go and search for something like, I don't know, I'm not sure, for example. And then here, let's go to a website. So I am here in this website called Word History Encyclopedia, and I'm gonna just select a text from here and right click. For example, let's just select this one here and right click and click Pronounce.
Greek architecture is concerned with simplicity.
So you see that the text is pronounced, and I have my speakers here to let you listen to the pronunciation. So let's just pronounce a big block here. For example, from here till here, and pronounce.
There are 5 orders of classical architecture: Doric, Ionic, Corinthian, Tuscan, and Composite, all named as such in later Roman times. Greek architects created the first 3 and hugely influenced the latter 2, which were composites rather than genuine innovations.
So I hope that you liked this extension. If you liked my video, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. And if you have any other questions or suggestions, please comment them below in the comments section, and stay safe.